National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, southeastern Fayette County, Indiana, Preble County, northwestern Butler County, southern Darke County, northwestern Montgomery County, Miami County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Greenville to near Richmond to 9 miles south of Connorsville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Huber Heights, Richmond, Troy, Trotwood, Oxford, Piqua, Vandalia, Englewood, Greenville, Tip City, Eaton, West Milton, Covington, Liberty, Arcanum, Camden, Bradford, Lewisburg, and New Paris. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 149 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 37. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 84.